Hey everybody, this is Mark from buyheatshrink.com again, and we've been doing a lot of videos, I'm sure you've noticed, about DIY and how to fix phone cables. And one of the questions that came up from one of our developers was, what if the customer does not have a heat gun? Is there any other way to shrink the heat shrink without a heat gun? And somebody else asked the question about a hairdryer. Generally, a hairdryer is not going to work, but we do have our trusty little Eroda MJ280 Turbo Light, and this one is actually going to work very well. The idea is to have the flame here. This is essentially a cigar lighter, but you can use a cigarette lighter as well. Basically, you want to just get the tubing up to the level where the heat is passing through the tubing, and you don't really want to burn it. See, I got it a little too close, but you just come, so you can see how far away we have it. It's just the heat that's going to shrink the tubing. Now, the other option is to use a different color. If you're worried about charring and having it not look so good, you can use black as well. But generally, if you keep it far enough away and take your time with it, you're not going to burn the tubing. All right, that's it. See you next time.